wanna skip town, see my wrist shine. Everybody wanna fuck with me for benefits.
It's your boy King Willis here, and as you guys can tell by the title, I'm for to show you guys what's in my fridge. Now currently, I have no snacks.
Oh my God!
Look, no snacks, nothing in the freezer, nothing like that. So I'm finna head over to Walmart and let's get it. What's good, guys? So currently we're on our way to Walmart. I'm with my big sister, Kira. And yeah, we're finna go get some snacks because my refrigerator looks super dry. Finna go help my refrigerator out and get some more snacks to it, and let's go. So you guys, so we just made it to Walmart for to help my refrigerator out, and let's get it. Okay. So I'm finna buy me some freaking. I'm buying some Oreos. These whole smack. Alright, let's see what else we got. A lot of options. Alright, bet. Now these are what I'm looking for. These are yes, sir. Oh snap! Oh fuck! Like these, I like to get these because these are got like usually I like to buy 2 of these. I'm gonna give me a fruit punch and I wonder which other one I should get. I'm gonna try Pacific Cooler. Try this one. Let's go. Alright, that talking about like the V8 and stuff. Usually I like to drink peach mango. These are low key. Smack. These be smack. Let's go. 98 cents for a cooler. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get blue. Let's turn this cart around. Yeah, you can get those. Put him good. Oh, she shot a run. She not faster than King Willis. Where she gone? Yo, it's so hard to record and try to push your car at the same time.
Got that. Boom.
Y'all wanna know something funny? Like, she's my big sister and I'm taller than her.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
she mad. I need to give me some, ooh, can we run by dollar store?
For what?
Cause their stuff be cheap and I can get a lot of stuff.
What did you want?
I don't know, they got cheap stuff over there for $1.
Like candy and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet.
We gotta go over here real quick.
I bet. So they got them apple bottom jeans. Oh. Excuse me?
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. So I guess this is all I'm gonna get from Walmart, but we're gonna be heading over to Dollar Tree though. If I get way more stuff than this, stay tuned to that. Alright, y'all. So I'm in Dollar Tree right now. I'm finna get more snacks because Dollar Tree is like way more cheaper. So I'm finna get me some Sunny D. Yes, sir. Sunny D. And then probably finna give me some freaking. I'm gonna give me some. I don't even know. All these snacks so good. Give me some Reese's, cause these be smart. Give me some another Reese's. Yes, sir. 2 Reese's. By the way, I don't know if I said this or not, but all these snacks are for me. Like, I'm fat and I like to eat. No cap. But I know this is where like the dishes and stuff be, but I'm finna go. Yeah, they got snacks on this wall. Give me some freaking honey buns. No, actually not. Give me some. These. Yes, sir. Cheddar. Yes, sir. These. Yes, sir. This. Yes, sir. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some ice cream. This. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go check out. I'll check with you guys later. Alright, y'all, so currently I'm finna meet up with my sister. She walked in the store. I do not know which store, but yeah, I just got done. Dollar store, my total was like $11, so not that bad. And yeah, so I just made it back. I got all these snacks right here, and finna be filling up my dry refrigerator. Notice nothing. See, I barely have stuff, right? Barely got stuff, right? Nothing in the freezer, nothing. Well, I'm gonna be filling this up, and yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so this is the after when I just got done filling my refrigerator up. It's pretty good, pretty good. Now I got some stuff in the freezer. And yeah, so this is in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a like on the video. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that, and I really wanna